Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Charles Rogers Estate SE mattress. Now this mattress is actually a two-piece set. Right now we've got the base here, which is the actual mattress itself, and then behind me we have the pillow top. So it's not often that you have mattresses in a box with a pillow top system, but Charles P. Rogers has been around over 150 years, and they really do stick to their traditional craftsmanship, which is what I really like about them. They've been a highly rated mattress company for years and continue to bring out some quality products. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this so you can see what we're dealing with here. So this is going to be the mattress itself. Get this over on the bed. It's nice to see that Charles P. Rogers is making more of a presence online because they do have such a nice history. You know that you're going to be getting quality. Obviously, it's been made in the USA since 1855. One's a little heavier, so it's going to be a little harder to get out of the box. Let's see here. Just fold this. There we go. Another try. There we go. Now this is a spring mattress, so it should open relatively quickly. So just make sure you cut nice and slow. Let the mattress do some of the work. It's like this is the front. What I'll do is I'll just flip it open now. Get some air going through it. The nice thing about this mattress is it is flippable, so it really doesn't matter what side is up. But for this video, I'll just make it so that it's sort of right side up. Go ahead and flip it. It does have some nice handles on the side for making that a little bit easier. Like I said, it is going to take some time for this thing to come to life. We're going to go ahead and add the pillow top as well. So we'll go ahead and get that unboxed. As you can see, this is a pretty thick pillow top. We're just gonna put that right on top of the bed here. It should come to life pretty quick. It's not very tightly packed. Again, just be extra careful when you cut. You don't want to cut into the fabric. Here we go. Now the pillow top, it does only have one side. So to extend the life, you actually want to flip the mattress itself, not necessarily the pillow top. rid of this. And then it's just a matter of unfolding this. And centering it on the mattress. So we're gonna just let this breathe for a bit, fully expand, and then we're gonna take a look at some of the key features of the mattress. Okay everyone, we're back with the Charles P. Rogers Estate SE GL. This is their plush version. They have a firmer or softer version of the SE, but this is the plush, which they kind of rate as a medium. So we give it a little time. It's gonna take a little bit more time to breathe. Once you unbox this mattress, don't be worried about any wrinkles. This is just naturally what happens when you compress something. Eventually over time, this will all smooth out. Of course, when you put sheets on it, you're not gonna see it anyways. Like I mentioned before, this mattress is a little unique in that it came in 2 boxes. One is the base unit and then the actual pillow top. So these are designed to function together, and it is a more traditional way of making a mattress. So what you have here is your spring system with support coils, and then a small cushion transitional layer, and then they make the pillow top, which is actually designed to fit just perfectly on top of the mattress. So it actually kind of looks integrated, but it does come off. Now the topper does have multiple layers, and what we're gonna do is go ahead and cut into this and show you what that looks like. All right, so now we just cut it open. We cut open the pillow top and the mattress itself. So the first thing I want to show you is the layering. We're starting off with a base layer of foam, which is pretty standard for most mattresses. Just gives it a nice even surface. It prevents the springs from getting damaged. And then above that, you actually have your coil system where this block of foam is. The reason there's a block of foam is that Charles Rogers actually designed this so that this would serve as a little bit firmer support around the perimeter. So you get really good edge support. You can sleep right up to the edge, which is really important with a pillow top style mattress because these do have a lot of give. So you want to make sure the mattress itself has a good support around the edge. And as you take this off, you can see that the edge support goes in about 3 to 4 inches. And then you have your coil system here. These are all pocketed coils, which is great, all working independent of one another. Put this back, and above that, you're gonna get a layer of latex. So this is gonna be the top of the actual mattress. I really like that they use latex. It's a very durable material. It's gonna recover quickly, and it's really gonna allow the pillow top to do the work it needs to provide the pressure relief. So here we have the pillow top, and it does have a zipper. So we could have actually just unzipped this guy, but I wanted to show you the cross section. And so what we have is the knitted cover, which surrounds it. Another layer of latex. So this is latex. And then what they did is actually put a layer of cooling gel foam on the very top for extra contouring and pressure relief. This is just a really nice design. I really do like mattresses where they're blending both types of material. A lot of times, you get an all latex, all foam, or foam latex, foam spring. But this one, by combining spring, latex, and foam, you get just a really forgiving feel with great support. Okay, so now that we saw the inside of the Charles P. Rogers, I really want to talk about how this thing actually feels. This is going to be the medium feel of the SE version. And you'll notice, right even when you unbox it, you've got this really kind of old school pattern. You've got the waves, little design here. It's just a very silky, smooth cover. It will accommodate any type of sheet, so don't worry about having to get deep pocket sheets or anything like that. But first thing I noticed about this is it's really gonna You're gonna get great sink with this pillow top. Pillow tops kind of get a bad name because sometimes they can kind of come up at the end and they can kind of taco. But this one, being the spring with latex base, you really aren't going to get too much sink from the mattress itself. And the only sink really is going to be on that top layer of gel foam, which is going to give you all that pressure relief. And then that latex underneath is going to give you that extra bounce to make it a lot easier just to move around on the mattress. So it's going to feel more like a traditional mattress than foam or latex. But again, you get all the benefits of that foam on top. Now this one is a bit more expensive than some of the other mattress in the box brands. A queen size retails north of $2,000, north of $2,500, but you are getting quality materials like the latex, the Charles P. Rogers name, all that know-how in mattress technology over the years. And you know, they've really dialed this in. So the other thing is it does come with a 100-night trial, just like the others. So if you don't like it, it is a free return. It is nice too that because they have this pillow top, you can swap out different firmnesses down the road if you'd like. You don't actually have to swap out the entire mattress itself, which should last quite a long time. Like I said, it is a flippable mattress. So there's a little bit more maintenance to this where I'd say every few months you're going to want to take the pillow top off, flip that mattress over so it wears evenly on both sides. But again, you're going to get a much longer lifespan out of it overall. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com for the full reviews and latest discounts.